I'm going to talk you through our design's wireframe. In order for our idea to be properly imagined, we propose three main structural changes in the existing infrastructure of Spotify. In the first route, the user now has the ability to navigate straight to their profile where they can see their mood, the top 9 albums that define themselves in any given time. They can also access their library of existing saved songs with one swipe to the left. This is only visible to the user themselves unless they have made any public playlists. If the privacy settings are adjusted accordingly, other users can like, share, and comment on their mood. The mood idea is similar to that of Spotify Wrapped, a highly visual way to celebrate music tastes and share them with others. The key difference with ours is that it's all year round and the user themselves gets to edit and change these features. You can now see an example of the mood board concept alongside the followers and following counts at the top and the comments bubble below the mood. The user now chooses to share an album that they have found on the mood, and then they can now share it to the current external platforms using the existing methods currently offered by Spotify. In the second route, the user navigates to settings where they now have the option to edit their mood. This can be seen below the edit profile username at the top. Here, the user can change privacy settings, toggle push notifications, and change each individual album to showcase. An additional search feature is now embedded in the settings in order to search for albums to showcase specifically. The third route makes a slight adjustment to the broader search feature, where users can now search for profiles based on their moods if they have their profile set to public. If they don't want to follow a specific user, they can instead like or play their mood, which can be seen to the right of the follow button at the top. Alternatively, they could also comment on their mood if the user's profile settings allow. So why did we choose the mood feature? We strongly believe that the outcome proposed would cater to both categories of Spotify consumers outlined in the user focus. This is because the mood idea adds personal flair into something that previously lacked the social media aspect from within the application. The features that we would add complement the existing interface of Spotify with no unnecessary or over-embellishment of the new features, i.e. the features would be too outlandish that they'd then take away from the core competencies of Spotify. We therefore also hope that this new prototype wireframe model demonstrates how we could integrate more social media features into the app without taking away from the core competencies of the Spotify brand and its main features within the existing app, which is of course the predominant feature of being able to access loads of songs, playlists, podcasts, and more. What can be seen on the screen right now is the slight adjustments that the user can make to their mood on their profile, depending on the albums that they'd like to showcase. So for example, this album here in the middle changes here and then changes again. Alternatively, they could also just change the layout, so as can be seen between these two here and these two here. And there's basically a lot of options for customization and personalization through this mood feature. Thank you.